Friends, welcome to the writing practice session of our Hindi vowels. Today we will start learning how to write first two Hindi vowels a and a. So let's get started. So to write a, first of all in Hindi whenever we write between these two lines and then we leave one line and then we start writing from the other line, means we have to write in the alternative lines, so this to look more cohesive and clean. So now let's try first Hindi vowel, that is called a. So how we will make that? This is our first Hindi vowel a, and to make it, first draw a curve, then join it with an adjoining curve, then draw a sleeping line and then join it from a standing line, and then cover this whole vowel with a sleeping line, and this sleeping line covering the vowel is called Shirorekha. Now let's try once more. One curve, then again a curve, then a sleeping line, a standing line, covering with a sleeping line. And when we have to write in the second line, then how we will write? A curve, a joining curve, a sleeping line, then a standing line, and covering the whole vowel with a Shirorekha. So this is how we will write a. Let's try practicing it few more times. Yes, then a joining curve, then a sleeping line and a standing line, then covering with Shirorekha. Make, yes, very good, and then a sleeping line. So by this time you knew how to write a. Now we will practice our second Hindi vowel, that is, yes, very correct, that is a. Arm. So can you find some similarity between a and a? Yes, a is made up of a with an additional standing line. So let's try writing a. How we will write? First we will make a, two adjoining curves with a sleeping line, a standing line, and then in a we have to make one additional standing line, and that's it. See how easy it is. Cover it with a Shirorekha. And then let's try once more. One curve, one adjoining curve, then a sleeping line, then a standing line, again a parallel standing line, and cover the whole vowel with a Shirorekha. Let's try writing. Oh, this is the fun part. Try writing it few more times. Yes. Try with me one more time. Yes. The curve, again a joining curve, a sleeping line, a standing line, and then a standing line, and then covering it with a sleeping line. Very good. Now we will practice the writing of both the two vowels together. Let's try writing a, again a, and a. Do you want to try one more time? Oh, I am just enjoying it. Let's try one more time. A, anar, A, arm. One more time and you will become perfect. A and A. Very good. So this is how we write our first two Hindi vowel, and you have become expert and fluent and very good at writing and reading these vowels. And in the next video we are going to learn our next two vowels.